The Rain by A E Housman. The rain it streams on stone and hillock, the boot clings to the clay. Since all is done that's due and right, let's home, and now, my lad, good night, for I must turn away. Good night, my lad, for naught's eternal, no league of hours for sure. Tomorrow I shall miss you less, and ache of heart and heaviness are things that time should cure. Over the hill the highway marches, and what's beyond is wide. Oh, soon enough we'll pine to naught remembrance and the faithful thought that sits the grave beside. The skies, they are not always raining, nor gray the 12-month through, and I shall meet good days and mirth, and range the lovely lands of earth, with friends no worse than you. But oh, my man, the house is fallen, that none can build again. My man, how full of joy and woe your mother bore you years ago, tonight to lie in the rain.